What's your take on women's submission, or is it in all things that you should submit?
So there are some things that a woman knows better than the man. Yes.
So you're saying that a man should learn from the strengths of his wife, basically.
Based on the things that she's good at. So if you studied law and I studied something else, if maybe we have like a finance issue at home and you have an accountant in your house, you have someone that's skilled in that area, and you are saying that you're the head of the family, you want to be the one to make the decisions, and your wife is skilled in this area, she's telling you something else, but you don't want to understand. Men automatically expect women to be submissive, but I think while putting it in your mind that your wife has to be submissive, think about your weaknesses. Like, I'm not strong in this thing, so why do I have to make the final decision? But you still want to make the decision.
That means what you're telling me now is that in areas of your weakness, you are not supposed to submit in areas of your strengths. That's what you're trying to say.